Hello everyone. So after a long time, I'm here doing a vlog. I don't know how much successful this vlog will be, but then I suddenly felt that I have not given any content, and there's a reason why I have not put any content. There's a lot many things happening since my last video. Many good news is many things which I wanted to share with y'all, but then I didn't get time. So surely I'll share those once, but today is a daily vlog. I just wanted to show you how I go for the flight and what all happens in flight, before flight, after flight, and bit clips. Although we are not allowed to record any video of our in-flight things, but then I'll try to show you things which are allowed to be recorded or something which is not an offense. And I hope you all will like this video, so stay tuned. I got up in the morning. I have a flight now. I have to get ready and my cab will come by 11:30, so I have to board the cab and then I'll go to the airport. I'll show you everything. Like, I cannot promise, but then I'll try to show you everything. I hope the day goes good, and I have a night landing, so the day is long. So let's stay tuned and just watch the video. So I have worn my uniform and everything. Now I just need to do my makeup and hair. Just makeup means just eye makeup, nothing else. I just have to do that, and then I'll wait for the cab. It'll come, I'll board, and I'll go, and then I'll see you. Bye. So join with me in my makeup. So nowadays we're not doing a full makeup because of COVID. So because, like, not because of COVID, actually because of mask. So it's no use if even if we do the full makeup, it'll go on the mask, and then it's actually up to us. But then it's not mandatory like earlier that we have to do a full makeup and all. Now just because our eyes are visible even after the mask and shields, so eye makeup is must. Other than that, it's all up to us. If we want to do the full makeup, we can do. If we don't want to do the full makeup, we cannot do. So that's it. That's just up to us. I basically don't give little bit time also in my makeup because I hate this. I don't like doing makeup and all. I hope you all can see me, guys. Hello. So I got a call from my mom basically. So I'm done. This is it. I'll just put my lip tint and I'll just run because my cab is already on the way. So guys, I'm all set to leave. I have done all the stuffs. I've kept all the stuffs, and makeup तो आप लोग ने देख ही लिया है. So minimal and something, and I have not put anything on my face except moisturizer and sunscreen. So we're set to leave. मैंने अगरबत्ती भी लगा दिया है. So every day I do before going to the flight. Anything happens. And yes, so let's leave. My driver is waiting outside. I'll just wear my hat and my mask and then we'll leave. I'll just say goodbye to my friend and come, huh? If she is there, I'll just go and say goodbye and then I'll come back. I just see sleeping. I should leave. Sorry, तू मैं जा रही फ्लाइट के लिए बाय बाय स्लीपिंग एंड दिस डॉग कोई नहीं इसमें तो सही लेते हैं ना दोस्त लोग। मेरे दोस्तों में तो सहना तो पड़ेगा यार। So tan tan, I'm going on flight. So here's my cab waiting for me. Hi sir. Thank you so much. So I'm all set inside the cab. So आज मेरा 4 सेक्टर है, जा रही हूँ मैं। एंड सर हेलो बोल दो ना। So we'll meet you in the airport. So guys, I am at the airport. I have reached the airport. I'm going to base. Then after that, I'll show you everything else. Thank you, ma'am. Hi, Captain. I hope you all can hear my voice. I am speaking from Patna, and there is a lot of noise because of the engine. So now we have 2 more sectors: Patna, Lucknow, and Lucknow, Hyderabad. So I hopefully will see you in Hyderabad because I already showed you Lucknow's airport. And so yeah, this is the day which I am spending with 4 sectors. And hopefully it's like sectors are all good. So stay tuned, watch me in Hyderabad. फिर मिलते हैं, बाय। Hello everyone, so done with 4 sectors, just landed. ये मेरी लीड है, अंजलि आओ ना। क्या कर रही है? हाय, टायरिंग डे। ओह वेरी टायरिंग डे। I hope you have followers. Yes. Followers नहीं मतलब सब्सक्राइबर्स। हाँ सब्सक्राइबर्स अभी ज़्यादा नहीं है पर है, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा भी नहीं है। जस्ट मैंने स्टार्ट किया था, 1 ही साल हुआ है। फिर मैंने वीडियोस डालना बंद कर दी बीच में। अभी फिर से मैं सोच रही हूँ मैं डाल लेती हूँ, टाइम पास हो जाएगा। मैं पीजी में बोर हो जाती हूँ। मेरे पास तो मेरी शादी के इतने अच्छे फोटोज पोस्ट करने का टाइम नहीं है। लाइफ इज बिजी। और मेरे तो 3 दिन 4 दिन स्टैंड बाय नो ड्यूटी ये सब लगा कर रखा है रोस्टर में। सो गाइज फाइनली आफ्टर 4 सेक्टर्स बोर्डिंग द कैब राइट नाउ। आई एम सो टायर्ड, बहुत ज़्यादा टायर्ड हो गई हूँ मैं। ठीक है, सो आई हैव बोर्डेड द कैब। मेरे फ़ोन में चार्ज भी नहीं है बिकॉज मैं आते ही टाइम मेरे फ़ोन में चार्ज नहीं था। आई थॉट दैट इट विल शट डाउन एंड मैं व्लॉग नहीं शूट कर पाऊँगी लास्ट पार्ट, बट देन एनी विच वेज। सो इट वॉज वेरी टायरिंग डे, बट अच्छा लगता है काम करके। एंड आई फील हैप्पी व्हेन आई एम एट वर्क and mind also gets diverted. There will be no negative thought coming because you'll be busy continuously. And then after going home also you have so many work to do. So that's it. I'll go home and then remove my makeup and then just talk to you all for the last few minutes and then I'll end the vlog. So hello guys, I am back in my room, in my PG. After removing my makeup and all, I'm just like hell tired after 4 sectors with so many corporates, full load. And I didn't had anything since morning. I just had 1 cup of tea, maybe a juice. That's it. Because खाना भी आया था aircraft में, but then I didn't like the food. लाइक मैं पीजी में जाके खाऊंगी बिकॉज आज फ्राइडे है एंड माई इन माई पीजी देयर इज एग फ्राइड राइस, तो आई लाइक दैट एग फ्राइड राइस वेरी मच. मैं ऐसे पीजी का खाना खाती नहीं हूँ बिकॉज आई डोंट लाइक दैट टेस्ट एंड ऑल, बट दिस एग फ्राइड राइस आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई लाइक इट सो मच. आई डोंट इवन ईट द बिरयानी ओवर हियर, बट देन एग फ्राइड राइस मैं नहीं छोड़ती हूँ. तो आई डिडंट मिस द चांस टू हैव दिस egg fried rice. I'll show you the egg fried rice maybe. So I just love it. And I don't know people over here eats buttermilk so much. So मैंने भी try किया था with this egg fried rice and it goes very well. So this is the buttermilk and then egg fried rice. So that's my dinner. I'll just have my dinner and then go off to sleep. And wish you all good luck. Take care. Be safe. And enjoy your life. Be happy. That's it. That's the motto of my vlog, man. Be happy. Do whatever you wish, right? So, bye. Take care. Be safe. Meet you in some other vlog someday.